Guys, this video is going to show you how to find the circumference of a circle. Now these are very, very basic. So this is what you'd learn in primary school and foundation level. You know, it's all very, very easy stuff. And that's purely because to find the circumference, we have a formula and a formula to follow, which is brilliant. Because all we're doing is substituting what we need. We've got a calculator that does it for us. So all we need to remember is our formula. So the questions state, calculate the length of the circumference. Now remember, the circumference is around the circle. It's what's around the circle, yeah? Of each circle, rounding your answers to one decimal place. So let's follow the formula. We've got C pi times our diameter. Now, remember it's a times because they're stuck together, so it means the times. We're going to plug it into our calculator. Pi times 10, because that's our diameter. If you remember, that's our diameter. And this is called a radius. I have taught you this before, but it's just to catch up. So we put this into the calculator and your answer will come out as 10 pi. Now we don't want that. We want the decimal. We're working in decimals. So all you need to do is go on your calculator and press the button that says S arrow D. And that would change it into a decimal. So you need to press, I can't see on here where it is, but it's here somewhere, an S to D, and it will give you your answer in decimal. And the answer to this one is 31.4 centimetres. Same again. C equals pi times 5. Pop that in the calculator, change it from pi to decimal, and your answer will throw out 15.7. And that's in centimetres. The next one, exactly the same. C equals pi times 8. Put that into the calculator, change it from the answer that's pi, and it will become in decimal. Didn't need to put that there. And the answer will be 25.1 centimetres. And then finally on this one, we got a decimal, which is still exactly the same because the calculator throws out the answer 1.7, and that's in metres. Change it from pi, and your answer will be 5.3 metres. There we have it. Nice and easy that, isn't it? So now we're going to move over where we haven't got the diameter, we've only got the radius. Now, there is another formula to use for this, but we're not going there on this one. We're just going to stick to what we know. So we need to know the full diameter. So we know the full diameter, if we add our line, is going to be what? It's going to be 20 centimetres now. So now we've got the whole line, our whole diameter. Put that together. That's going to be 8 centimetres. And we're going to put this one together. And that is going to give us what's that going to give us? 9.5 plus 9.5. I had to think then, you know, because I haven't been using my calculator. 9.5 plus 9.5 gives us 19. I did think that, but I had a bit of a brain blank. And then the final one is 2.75 millimetres plus 2.75 equals 5.5. So this is 5.5 millimetres. So now we've got it in the right form to use in our formula. So let's get going. So same again. Circumference equals pi times 20. Change it from pi 20. We want our decimal. So we're going to change it with our S to D button. And the answer is going to be 62.8 centimetres. Next one again, Same, C equals pi times 8. Pop that in your calculator, S to D, and your decimal is 25.1 centimetres. The next one is 19 centimetres, which equals 59.7 centimetres, still on centimetres. And then this one equals 17.3 millimetres. So that is how you find the circumference. As I said, there is a different one here. I mean, I will show you this on another video, but instead of pi diameter, it's 2 pi times diameter. The radius, sorry. But all we did was we just put an extra line in, written it down, so we didn't have to do any of that. We just stuck to our regular formula. So yeah, I hope you understand that. It is very basic and straightforward. Any questions, give me a shout in the comments. Goodbye.